Hi guys, we've all seen those ads, those posts where they promise you to build an ad business really fast, fast, fast. And we're never sure if they're selling to the business that they're saying that they're an agency selling ad, or that their primary customers to sell their method to other people that want to sell to customers. So anyway, you don't have to go here and just send your email in order to get leads, because what they're saying is that they're going to show you a quick method that's going to allow you to get leads in order to contact business owners, in order to sell them something. There is a wonderful little Chrome extension, and when you get started with Grouply, you can either have the free trial or the unlimited, but you can extract 500 members from unlimited number of Facebook groups. So if you like it, after that you can get the unlimited version. I'm not getting paid by Grouply. I'm not an affiliate in any kind. I'm not an influencer. I don't get paid for anything. I just want to show you how to do it, and for free and without any further intention. So let's say that instead of sending your email, you just go and I found this group. I added the Grouply extension. Then you're just gonna click on it and start extracting. Since there's close to 3,000 people on that group, it will take some time to process, but at the end of it, when it's finished, just scraping the pages you're going to see the pages going on. At the end of the extraction, you're going to get what? You're going to get the first name of the Facebook group, the 500 group for free that you're going to be extracting from a group, the last name, Facebook ID, and what type of job they're doing. Are they a CEO or in the marketing in their business, or are they a founder, anything like this? So you're going to receive after that an Excel export CSV with all the information, and that's how you scrape Facebook group for free. You don't need to, buy from someone, a digital marketer or anything that say, I'm going to show you my method because my method is so good. Well, if your method was so good, you spend more time in getting more money with it than trying to onboard other people by telling how your method is great and that it's only $100 or $500 in order to get the same result that you're getting right now. So I hope that you like this tutorial on how to extract good leads from Facebook group. If you have any question, just post them on the YouTube channel. So this is not a traditional artificial intelligence video, but I think it's useful for most of the people anyway that want to start a business, whether it's in AI or any type of online business that you want in order to get more clients. So my name is Carl Dombrowski, and I hope you liked it. If you don't, well, go and check some other videos. But if you do, I'm really thankful for all the positive comment that I'm getting for my videos. I'm trying to be better at them because I'm not that good. So have a nice day, have a good time, have a nice evening, and see you later. Bye-bye.